So, good evening. My name is Gerald Anthony Mardizano, your top reporter for the topic ribosomes. So, let's proceed to our short introduction. Introduction. Ribosomes are a non-membrane bound structure. So, what does it mean? A non-membrane bound are or has a more solid structure that are not fluid filled, so they have no need for a membrane. So it states that ribosome doesn't need a membrane, and ribosomes are the only sites for protein synthesis that contains almost equal amount of protein and a special kind of ribonucleic acid called the ribosomal ribonucleic acid, or what we call the rRNA. So now let's proceed to our discussion. It is a small protein factory that is important to the cell. So it says here that it is a small factory because protein factory because it really is small, but it has one big role located on the endoplasmic reticulum and cytoplasm. So why does it important to the cell? Because it synthesizes protein or makes protein. So why is protein important? Proteins are important because it is used as a building blocks for structure, for support, and some proteins help with digestion. Proteins help with muscle contraction and also helps carry oxygen in and around your body. So that's why it is important. So on the next slide, the pictures I will show you where ribosomes are located and how the proteins are made. So let's proceed to the pictures. So in the first picture, in these two red arrows, where you can see the dark small dots in the endoplasmic reticulum and also in the cytoplasm, is what we call the ribosome. So tada, there they are. So in the next picture, so it shows on how the proteins are made. So the proteins are made because first, the mRNA created at the nucleus travels to the ribosome. Tada! This whole green alien-like structure is the ribosome. So now the transfer RNA travels to the mRNA. Tada! This blue-like tower travels to the mRNA and reads in triplets called codons. The transfer RNA has an amino acid on one end. Here, the blue circle, the blue ball, little circle. It is the amino acid. Then now the transfer RNA reads the mRNA, this row of colorful, do you call this? Messages are the mRNA. Now the transfer RNA reads the mRNA in a string of amino acid that is put together in a correct order. Now the transfer RNA reads the mRNA in a string of amino acid that is put together in a correct order. So tada! So as you can see, these worm-like circles structures now are the newly born proteins. So tada! So this is how they are made. Tada! And the last slide, conclusion. Conclusion: the ribosome is a complex molecule made of ribosomal RNA molecules and proteins that form a factory for protein synthesis in cells. So I highly agree that it is very complex molecule made of ribosomal RNA because its job is not normal. That would be all. Thank you. Ta-da.